it's me again, Shania. Today we are going to make a sweet ginger salad dressing. We start with 3/4 cup plain low-fat yogurt. Then we add 2 tablespoons agave nectar. And 1 tablespoon and a half fresh ginger. Okay, let's go get all the ginger. And now we whisk all the ingredients together. And voila, your sweet ginger salad dressing is ready. Make sure to check all my other videos and don't forget to thumbs up my video and subscribe. Bye bye!